This is the task 3 of oasisinfobyte, where I have imported this Tinker libraries. Uh, then I have made an random password generator where this is the basic code. Okay, we can also copy the password generated. Then this is the label, means basic. We can choose password length, see uh, we can choose uppercase or lowercase or digit or symbols. Then we can press on generate, this is the button. Then uh, the password is shown in the star format, a hidden format. Then we can copy it, and it is good GUI base, basic GUI base file. This is my code. Then we can choose password length to 12, uppercase, lowercase, and symbolic. Then it would generate the password. We can copy here. Okay, so the password is copied. I will see. This is the password generated by it. This is okay. So we can change it. This is the code. Okay.